Welcome to this session on operators in C, Part 1. Operators are an integral part of programming, and in C, they enable us to perform logical, mathematical, and other operations on data or variables. Today, we will break down the concept of operators, their types, and how they work in C. Let's get started. In programming, an operator is a special symbol that carries out specific operations on data, called operands. For example, in the expression x plus y, x and y are the operands, and the plus is the operator, which adds the two values together. Operators in C are essential for creating expressions that manipulate data. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations. 2. Relational, comparison, operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values. They determine the relationship between them and return a Boolean value, true or false. 3. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine or modify conditions. 4. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators perform operations at the binary level. 5. Assignment operators. Assignment operators assign values to variables. 6. Increment and decrement operators. The increment, plus plus, and decrement, dash dash, operators add or subtract one from a variable, respectively. 7. Conditional, ternary operator. 8. Special operators. C also provides special operators, such as size-of operator, comma operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations. These include addition, plus, subtraction, dash, multiplication, asterisk, division, modulo, %. For example, if you want to add two numbers, you can use the plus operator like this. Int sum is equal to a plus b. The modulo operator is particularly interesting because it returns the remainder of a division. For example, 5% to equals 1.
Assignment operators. Assignment operators assign values to variables. The simplest is the equals sign, equals, but C also provides compound assignment operators like add and assign, plus equals, subtract and assign, equals, multiply and assign, asterisk equals. For example, a plus equals 5, this is equivalent to a equals a plus 5. The increment, plus plus, and decrement operators add or subtract one from a variable, respectively. Pre-increment, plus pluser, the variable is increased before its value is used. Post-increment, a plus plus, the variable is increased after its value is used. These operators are widely used in loops, such as for int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, code here.
Relational operators are used to compare two values. They determine the relationship between them and return a Boolean value, true or false. These include equal to, is equal to, is equal to, not equal to, is equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, is equal to, less than or equal to, happy smiley. For example, if A, B, print is greater than B.
Logical operators are used to combine or modify conditions. These include and returns true if both conditions are true, or vertical bar returns true if at least one condition is true, not negates the condition. For example, if a greater than 0 and n b greater than 0 prints both a and b are positive.
This operator is a shorthand for if-else statements, and is represented as, for example, int max equals a greater than b, a, b. This means if a is greater than b, assign a to max, otherwise, assign b to max. Thank you for your attention. This concludes part 1 of our session on operators in C. In the next part, we'll explore more advanced operators and their applications. Stay tuned.